Nicole and I are gonna play some tennis today. Since we got our tennis permits, we were able to book these courts in Central Park. Central Park. Beautiful day today. A little bit too sunny, honestly. Hello from Turks and Caicos! UN and I are headed to the beach right now. Yesterday we tried to come a little bit before sunset, but the tide was really high and there was a lot of, what do you call it? It's not seaweed.
It is a type of seaweed, but I think they call what's happening sargassum.
Sargassum. Sorry, I'm immature.
It's like the water temperature is getting hotter than expected, so all the seaweed's getting pushed up to the beach.
Ooh, it smells. Oh, yeah! Okay, we're like, it smells like New York. Smells like horse poop, and there was a huge pile of horse poop. So on this path, I'll show you guys. On this path on the right side is where people walk, and on the left side, it says is where the horses are. There's quite a lot of horses here. We haven't seen any though. But yeah, we're trying to go back to the beach because yesterday it was high tide and we couldn't really even go into the waters. But we also found a bunch of conches, queen conches. They're obviously already dead and people took the conch out, but the shell is still there. And we're like, ooh, maybe we can see if we can, I don't know, take one. Is that legal? Is that legal to say?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
Because like, people just leave it after they've harvested the conch, so
yeah, we're just trying to see if we can collect some pretty shells.
we're just trying to pick up some trash.
Wow, that's nice. Good, how are you? Who wants to pop the Prosecco? You only got it.
Who's listening? Computer. You're pretty fast enough Prosecco to OJ.
But I didn't put that much OJ. We have some breakfast sausages, potatoes, eggs. These are like some leftover peppers and zucchinis that we had on the grill the other day, and I just chopped them up and stir-fried. Pancakes, and these are the 2 conch shells that UN and I picked up the other day. And then we rinsed them, and they look like this. Now they're table decor.
Drifting faster than they should. Golden when dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what's
I don't think
I can feel us slipping away, treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just hate playing these games. Slow drip soft in the light. Come on, maybe at the poolside. Late July, you're on my mind. We were never meant for this life.
이제 몇 시간 안 남았어.
Some of you might remember that I visited Seoul for the first time last year, and honestly, I thought that my Korean wasn't that bad because I consume so much Korean media, but when I landed and all the subtitles were gone, I realized that my Korean is not that good. I'm always looking for new ways to learn languages and improve on the ones that I already know. So recently I've been starting to relearn Korean through the all-new Rosetta Stone Sapphire, and I'd like to thank Rosetta Stone for partnering with me for this portion of today's video. Rosetta Stone Sapphire is designed to focus on real-life situations like dining out, travel, health, and everyday conversations. The lessons strengthen your pronunciation, grammar, listening, writing, and speaking confidence all at the same time. So I'm learning words and phrases that I can actually use the next time that I'm in Korea. One of the things that makes it feel different is Rosetta Stone's dynamic immersion approach. It doesn't immediately translate everything into English. You learn through images, context, and repetition. A lot of language learning tools help with building vocabulary, but they don't really give you a lot of opportunities to actually speak. Features like chat missions let you practice real-life conversations, while true accent speech recognition gives you instant feedback using native speaker audio, so you can improve your pronunciation and feel more confident about speaking the language out loud. 여자아이는 초콜릿을 원해요. And when using desktop, Sapphire includes even more ways to personalize your learning with over 500 topic-based flashcards, interactive conversation practice, and even custom vocab matching games. If learning a new language has been on your list for a while, this is honestly the best time to start. Check out my exclusive link or scan the QR code on screen to try the all-new Rosetta Stone Sapphire. It's access to all 25 languages for only $15. Ever since coming back from my vacation, I have been an unproductive slob. And that is why I need to get out of the house today. I'm just doing some light makeup, and then I'm gonna meet my friend Jessie. We're gonna co-work at a cafe together. I'm sure you all can tell I tanned so much on my trip. I tan so easily. I don't really burn. Definitely the Vietnamese side of me. But I haven't been this tan in a very long time, so I think I'm still adjusting to it. The sun was so strong there though that my skin is quite itchy, especially around my creases. I feel like it's a little dry. Don't think I'm peeling just yet, but I've been applying a lot of this, powered by 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, vegan peptides, and nutrient-rich seaweed. Yeah, this stuff is very good. Kind of blurry.
What did you get, Jessie? Pomegranate raspberry iced tea with 0 sugar.
You want to tell the vlog? What have you been up to?
Well, I'm going to start something very exciting at the end of the month, but we'll see. Stay tuned.
Oh, okay. Yeah, stay tuned. I don't even know what it is.
Oh, wow, I'm so mysterious.
Oh, okay. Exciting. What else? Oh, this is Choco Beef Mom.
Hi, I'm Choco Beef's mom.
You guys remember Choco Beef?
From
Like you from my vlog.
Oh yeah, from a couple of months ago. Oh, last year.
A whole year
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm working on something very exciting, and hopefully it'll come out, or I'll tell you guys more about it at the end of the month. But until then, it's a secret.
It's a secret. Okay. Okay, exciting. Make sure to follow her. For off camera. Okay, bye.
There was a Japanese market near the coffee shop, so I picked up some stuff to make cold soba. This looks so good. Pumpkin, enoki mushroom, and shrimp tempura. Pumpkin tempura. Mmm. Mmm. This is yummy. So dip this. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Not sure how the enoki turned out. I wrapped it in a little bit of seaweed. It's okay, not my favorite. Inside is a little bit gooey. It's probably because the mushroom has a lot of water in it. This was exactly what I needed.
行，那您看。